Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to select who can see the posts in which you are tagged on Facebook. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Click on the menu icon down below on the right side. Tap on settings at the top, scroll down to audience and visibility, and click on profile and tagging. Scroll down to tagging, which is the second category, and here you have who can see posts that you're tagged in on your profile. Now it is set to friends of friends, but as you tap on this blue button you can choose your audience, which is either your friends of friends, your friends on Facebook, don't show to some friends. So by tapping on this button you can select certain people to whom you don't want to show these pictures or posts, specific friends, or only me. Tap on the relevant one and then it will be updated automatically. That's it for this video guys, see you in the next one, bye bye.